process for the next chairperson of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, entered its second day Tuesday, with 4 candidates facing the Dr. Nelson Makanda-led selection panel. Among them was former Judiciary Deputy Registrar Francis Kakai Kissinger, who defended his integrity amid past accusations. Also interviewed was Kenya Power and Lighting Company Board Chairperson Joy Masinde Medivo, who emphasized the need for the strong governance structures at the electoral agency, that is, to prevent leadership conflicts witnessed in previous commissioners. Mike Agungu with the details of that.
Professor Adams Olo.
The IEBC selection panel tasked with recruiting qualified individuals to fill the positions of chairperson and commissioners for the IEBC opened the floor on Tuesday morning for another 4 candidates to fill the late Wafula Chebukati's position. Appearing before the panel, Francis Kakai Kissinger defended his integrity in light of scrutiny over past allegations, assuring the panel that he had been cleared by the courts of any wrongdoing.
So in the records in Kenya is that you have been dismissed for gross misconduct, for violating public procurement law in Kenya.
No, that will not be the law. That will not be the thinking, that will not be the understanding. I was not dismissed on those grounds.
What were the grounds?
You know, when that happened, they said that everybody must go and processes must take place, and procurement and the ESCC must come in and do the investigations and so forth and so on. So then, ideally, everybody was then let to go. And that's what happened, and I left the institution on those issues.
Kissinger, who is vying for the top position at the electoral agency, responded to allegations of an irregular payment of 46 million shillings for the construction of courts in Mavoko, stating that he was a clean man and capable of the job. The former Judiciary Deputy Registrar emphasized that there had been no new accusations against him in the past 10 years, and there was no case pending in court.
Some of those things were done by people I didn't understand. But because I'm a Christian, I forgave. And I moved on and started doing other things, including these election issues.
Kenya Power and Lighting Company Board of Directors Chairperson Joy Brenda Masinde Medivo, during her appearance, stated that the election agency should implement good governance to prevent the leadership conflicts observed in the past.
Most of the chairs in the past, Isaac Hassan and Oswago, there's a difficult relationship there. Chiloba and Chebukati, there's a difficult relationship there. In fact, Chebukati, Marjan, I think they got into a place where things were so difficult they had to stick together because it was the 3 surviving commissioners and the CEO. So to break down that dichotomy, maybe we employ principles of good governance and have the commission on a basis where there may be part-time or you have fewer commissioners who have got very specific roles.
However, Medivo addressed a petition filed by the Operation Linda Jamii lobby group, which suggested her disqualification from holding the commission's chairmanship due to her previous state office position. She clarified that she had resigned from the board and was ready to take the seat at the election agency. 3 applicants are expected to appear before the IEBC selection panel when they resume their interviews on Wednesday. Mike Kagwango, TV 47, Nairobi.